Hey you guys, welcome to Live in a Country. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys Decor Steals' Black Friday Artisan Gift Guide event. I'm so excited because I love supporting small businesses, and by buying these products, you're helping small businesses too. So they've got lots and lots of different products that are on their website today. And if you guys are familiar with Decor Steals is a daily deal site. They typically post 3 products a day, and once they're sold out, they're absolutely gone. And you never know if they're going to come back. And they're very well known in the farmhouse home decor industry for having beautiful farmhouse decor. So today I'm really excited because they sent me a couple products to share with you all so you guys can shop Decor Steals and get access to these finds as well. So right now they have on their website these handmade, beautiful, so darling cupcakes, and they're actually not cupcakes, they're actually soaps. These are so darling to just style in your little one's bathroom and to even just put in your kids' stockings. I'm so excited because these are perfect stocking stuffers, and even kids in their teens absolutely love these because everybody loves things that are adorable and also practical. They also have some add-on ones, which are absolutely darling as well for Christmas. And there's these colorful Christmas trees. And these are just so fun and festive. And you can even display these. I saw one of the Decor Steal ladies put them on a little platter and display it with some sprinkles around it. And it's just such a darling way to decorate, get festive for the holiday, and decorate your bathroom even too. So these were made by the brand Lovely Soaps, and this is just called their Christmas tree soap, pine tree scented. I'm gonna see if these are any different. They're all pine tree scented. I'm so excited. I'm gonna actually open these up. I'm gonna copy Decor Steals, put it on a little platter with some sprinkles, and have it decorated in my kids' bathroom for Christmas. And it's just gonna be festive and fun with these. The cupcakes I'm gonna save for their stockings. That's gonna be fun too. The next thing I want to share with you guys, I'm really so excited to get my kids in. I'm going to actually get a picture of them in front of our house, maybe with some little Christmas pajamas. But this year at Decor Steals, they have these darling reindeer suspenders for kids. Are these not so cute? This is just a super simple way to get your kids festive for the holiday season, or even just for a holiday card, for pictures, for Facebook, for Instagram. They also have this really darling Santa one as well. They have it packaged so darling. So here's this sweet little Santa one, perfect to just get your kids, even if they're in normal clothes, just a simple photo with your kids for Christmas 2019 and even years to come, because these can be for little itty bitty ones as well as toddlers. So I'm so excited to have the tradition of having my kids in these little suspenders, and it's so sweet. I love these. Now next is actually one of my favorite things, and I'm so excited about it. I've had it styled in my bedroom for a couple of days now, and it's this adorable customizable Party of 4, this is my last name, Ambro, Party of 4 sign. I love everything that's customized to my family, to my family's last name. I just think it brings this hominess and warmth to your home. So I'm so excited about this beautiful wood sign. So there's even an area to hook it in the back so you can put it on the wall if you feel like it. But I just kind of like having it displayed loosely without nails in my wall, and kind of display candles in front of it and decor in front of it, and I just think it's absolutely precious. So these are just a few of the items. I'm going to put right here a couple more pictures of some items Decor Steals has right now, and I'm going to put a link down in the description box below to where you guys can check out each of these products and all of the products. These are commission links, so it does help me and my channel out, but it costs no extra money to you guys, and I would so appreciate it if you hit that link because it helps support my family. So I hope you guys enjoyed these Decor Steals Black Friday finds. I will see you guys later on Live in a Country. Bye!